We're tracking a major winter storm set to bring a series of impactful weather conditions across the nation. Starting with the Pacific Northwest, Washington and Oregon are bracing for several feet of snow in the Cascades. Blizzard conditions will persist throughout Tuesday. If you're in this area, please avoid travel and stay safe. Now, let's talk about the two dynamic mid-latitude cyclones affecting most of the U.S. Almost every state except North Dakota is under some form of weather warning, watch, or advisory. Across the central southern plains and eastern U.S., a powerful cyclone is rapidly deepening. This will bring strong winds, high temperatures, and severe weather threats. The Gulf Coast in particular is at risk for severe storms, including tornadoes and heavy rainfall, leading to potential flooding. Further north, areas like New Mexico, Colorado, and Kansas are under blizzard warnings. Snowfall totals could reach up to 15 inches in localized spots. For those in the Northeast, be prepared for freezing rain in the higher elevations. As Tuesday moves on, the low-pressure system will shift towards the Great Lakes. This will bring gale warnings and coastal flooding to the eastern U.S., with severe weather risks from the Carolinas to New England. Flooding is a significant concern, especially where there's existing snow cover. Out west, another deep cyclone is approaching the northwest coast. This will bring heavy snowfall and blizzard conditions to the Cascades and the northern Rockies. Cold temperatures will follow, with many areas seeing temperatures well below normal. Here's some 7-day forecasts from around the country. In summary, a complex and impactful weather pattern is unfolding. Please stay weather aware, especially if you have travel plans. Check local forecasts, heed warnings, and prioritize safety. We'll continue to keep you updated. Thanks for watching Rogue News. You can find us on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, and Roku.